Learn how to make proper Spanish patatas bravas. First, you want to peel and chop some potatoes. Bring a pot of water to the boil and parboil the potatoes. Drain the water, transfer to a mixing bowl and coat with some olive oil. Place the potatoes in the air fryer while you cook your sauce. Add some olive oil to a pan and saute some onion and garlic. Add some flour and cook for 2 to 3 minutes while you keep stirring. Add chopped tomatoes, some cherry vinegar, smoked paprika and tomato paste. Combine well before adding your vegetable stock and simmer for a few minutes. Transfer the sauce to a blender and blend until you have a smooth Brava sauce. Once your potatoes are crispy, add some salt. Transfer to a serving bowl, add your Brava sauce and some vegan mayo. And that's it. Enjoy!